Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to fry our fish pie. Yes. So today's recipe is fried fish pie. Please subscribe for me, like this video, share and leave a comment. Okay, so we are going to start preparing our filling, and I just poured in my chopped onions into my hot oil on fire. Yes, and then we are going to add our fish to it. I'm using smoked fish. You can use tuna flakes. You can use any fish of your choice. You can also decide to use meat instead of fish or chicken, any one that you want. Okay, and so we are going to allow this to cook for some time, add water to it to enable it to cook. And if you see any form of bones, small ones in, just take it out. Okay. So let's stir this, and we are going to take that small bone, or how do you call it in English? Inkase, nsoi, infantifos nsoi. What is the English name? Okay, so I just added my vegetables. That's carrot, bell pepper, and a bit of cucumber. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can decide to use only onions, and that is okay. Yeah, so I'll just say again, because most of the times the pies that we buy, we see only onions in. So I just sprinkled my seasoning on it. I'm going to add a bit of salt. So you just adjust the quantity of the seasoning and the salt to your preference. Yes. Okay, so let's add our potatoes. I've cooked this. Yes. So I didn't cook it very soft. So just added to it, mix everything together and give it time to cook. And I've mixed a bit 2 tablespoons of flour. Yes, you can use cornstarch. I mix it with enough water, and I'm going to add it to my filling. Yes, just to give it some kind of moisture. Yes. Okay, add water to it, and then we'll stir it together, cover and allow it to thicken up and create that moisture effect that we are looking for. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, leave a comment. So I also added some spring onions to it. Yes, so let's cover and give it time to cook. Yes, I want to say thank you very much for always being part of this channel. Okay, so at this time, or at this point, it's okay. Yes, so you can see it has taken up very well. And so all that you have to do is put it down, put it off, and then allow it to cook. So we are going to make our pie crust. So we are using onion, salt, and seasoning. The seasoning and onions are optional. You can decide to also add garlic to it. So I'm using 10 cups of this cup is measured 250 ml, and I'm using 10 cups of it. So I added nutmeg to it. It's also optional, and I'm going to use 1.5 of this margarine. One margarine is 250 gram. I'm using 400 grams. Yes, the point is you don't need too much margarine or oil for this. If you use too much and you fry, it's going to soak oil. Yes, so you will not be able to get the crunchiness that you want it to be breaking. So with the frying method, you don't need too much margarine in it or butter, just a little. Mix it together. I'm using my 2 hands, and then get it like breadcrumbs form. Yes, but the baking one, the rich baking one, you need enough margarine. So this is the effect we are looking for. So I'm adding my blended mixture. So I blended the onion, the spice, and the salt. Yes, and then so what I do is, when I add a bit of the blended mixture, then I'll add a bit of water to mix it till I get the texture that I want. We are not going to mix it too soft, not too hard. Yes, so this is the consistency that we are looking for. And I'm dividing it into two, and I'm going to wrap it with cling film and then allow it to relax for about 10 to 20 minutes. You don't need to put it, you don't need it to put it in the fridge. No, just leave it in the bowl and let it relax for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so our mixture or our filling has cooled down. I just added in fresh onions, and I'm also going to add in fresh spring onions. Mix everything together. Please like this video for me, share and leave a comment, okay? And try this recipe. You are going to love it. I'm going to leave the quantity, the list and its quantity in the description box. So our 20 minutes is up and we are going to roll our dough. Yes, this one you have to take them in bit portions or in small portions. So just apply flour on the chopping board and then apply flour on the rolling pin. Yes, and we are going to roll this. Roll it flat, but not too flat, and it shouldn't be too heavy also. Yes. So if you subscribe, click on the notification bell. So this is the width and the thickness that I want. That is the thickness that I'm looking for. Not too flat, not too thick. So I'll use my lid, my saucepan lid, to do the shaping. Yes, I couldn't get two from this because I did not flatten it too wide. Okay, so I'm going to add more mixture to it, sorry, filling, and I have a mixture of flour and water. So with my pastries brush, I'll just apply it all over the edges so that I can seal it very well. If you don't seal it very well and you fry, it's going to open and all your filling will get into the oil. So use your fingers to press the edges, yes, very well. And I have my fork in flour. Just dip it in flour and then use it to create the lines at the edges so that it will seal it very well for you. Okay. So something like this, put it aside, and we are going to do another one. This time I'm going to get two from this. I'm going to roll this one a bit because the way I did the cutting, it made the ends a bit thick. So let's add our filling and then mold it. Please like this video for me, share and leave a comment also. So this is it. We are going to fry. Our oil is on fire. We are going to test to see if it's hot. Your oil is supposed to be hot. If it's not hot and you put in your pie, it's going to soak the oil. And so when you put in your pie, make sure you'll be attending to it so that it doesn't get burnt. Yes. And so we'll be turning. Okay, so this is it. When it's golden brown, it changes color, then it means it's ready. So we are frying another batch. Yes. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, share for me. Okay. So this one too is ready. Yes, ready. Fried pie is ready. So this is it for our pie. Yes, looking all sumptuous. So give this recipe a try and you are going to love it. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. Watch out for another awesome sumptuous recipe. Have a blessed day. Subscribe for me. Bye bye.